Hello students, today we are going to learn our new lesson number 7, soils. The parent rock, the climate of region, the biotic material, the slope of the land and time are factors that influence soil formation. Let's see which are the factors necessary for soil formation. Parent rock. Remember that the parent rock is a region, is an important factor in soil formation, depending on the hardness of the rock and the climate of the region. The rock gets weathered, means to expose to the air. The rock turns into powdery material which further turns into earthy material. For example, the basalt rock of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra turns into black soil after weathering. The soil is also referred to as Ragur soils. Next is regional climate. This is also an important factor influencing soil formation. Weathering of the rock is the first step in the process of soil formation. The process of weathering depends on the climate of the region. The climate decides the intensity, means strength of weathering. That is why one and the same type of rock gives rise to different types of soils when the rock is exposed to different climates. In the dry climate of Deccan Plateau, weathering of basalt leads to the formation of black soil, whereas in the humid climate of the western Sahyadris, the leaching of the same basalt rock leads to the formation of lateric soil. Leaching means to dissolve by running water through slowly. Biotic material. The weathering of rocks turns them into powdery material, but this powdery material is not soil. To turn such powdery material into soil, it is necessary that biotic material gets mixed into it. The biotic material comes from the decomposition of the remains of the plants and animals in that region. The vegetal litters, roots of plants, remains of animals, etc. get decomposed due to water. Microorganisms and certain other organisms help decompose the dead remains of organic materials. The biotic material thus produced gets mixed into the soils and is called humus. If the proportion of humus in the soil is greater, the soils become fertile. The process of decomposition by living organism takes place continuously. Nowadays, production of vermicompost is undertaken on a large scale. Try to understand the process of producing vermicompost or compost. Production of compost needs sufficient period of time and elements like organic waste, water, heat, etc. Our next point is time. Soil formation is a natural and slow process. It needs a very long period of time. To form a 2.5 cm thick layer of topsoil, it takes thousands of years. From this, you may understand that soils are invaluable. In the region of high rainfall and higher temperatures, the process of soil formation is faster. Comparatively, in regions of low temperatures and low rainfall, soil formation takes more time. Humans use the soil gifted by nature as a resource. It is mainly used for agricultural purpose.